We've been broken, we've been bruised, lost our way but not our truth. The pieces scattered on the floor still hold the love worth fighting for. The night was heavy, but dawn will shine. Your hand in mine, our hearts align. I will rise with you through the fire and rain. Turn the hurt to hope, let it heal the pain. Every battle won, every scar we knew made me stronger, made me choose you. I will rise, I will rise with you. Whispers of doubt try to take our song, but love's the anchor that keeps us strong. With every step we rewrite the past, building a bond that was made to last. The storm has spoken, but love breaks through. I see the light when I look at you. I will rise with you through the fire and rain. Turn the hurt to hope, let it heal the pain. Every battle won, every scar we knew made me stronger, made me choose you. I will rise, I will rise with you. This is our promise, this is our vow. We'll face tomorrow, starting now. No force can break what's tried and true. I'll rise again, I'll rise with you. I will rise with you through the fire and rain. Turn the hurt to hope, let it heal the pain. Every battle won, every scar we knew made me stronger, made me choose you. I will rise, I will rise with you. Hand in hand, hearts renewed. I will rise, I will rise.